What's happening? If you watch the channel, you've seen my recent pickup. Cop these from Mercari for a little bit of nothing. For what they are, they were cheap. And so at first I didn't think they was authentic or not. And asking around and checking them out, it looked like they are. But what needs to be done, they need to be clean. So what I'm gonna be doing, I wouldn't say this necessarily a restore, but I'm gonna try to clean them. I got like some little household stuff. What I'm gonna be trying to clean them with, like I put some soap and water, plain right there. I put a little bit of Fabuloso in there because the shoes, they kind of smell funny. So I'm trying to freshen them up. So that's just gonna be for the side, and I'm gonna use this like some mean green type stuff, like a degreaser. I'm gonna try and use that to get like the grunge and stuff out of the gamma, and as a suede cleaner. So I'm gonna use that on the suede. Just try to brush that up. And the only thing I really need to do is not major, but just gotta touch up that right there, and gotta touch up the sides. So I have some paint. I'm gonna put a light coat on there just to cover up the little blue that's showing through. And so this shouldn't be a big project. Should take maybe an hour or something. So y'all come with me on the journey. Try to get these back in shape. See what they're gonna look like. Check out the before and after. Time to start. You know, start off with just the soap and water and stuff, and then I'm gonna come back and hit it with the spray. I want to try and be a little careful around certain areas, especially when I start using the spray, because I don't really want that to hit the suede. I don't know if that'll damage it or anything, but like this part right here, I don't think it's gonna be any problem. Finished the first little thing. I hit it with just the soap and water. So that's how they looking. Right, they still have a little grime and stuff. But about to come through with that spray and see how much cleaner I can get them. See if I can get some of that dirt dug in. See if I can get that out. That's the next step. This is after I hit it with the spray. See if they're a little cleaner. I'm not sure. A little bit. So hit them with the spray. Tried to get a little bit more of that brownish type color out. So next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hit it with the suede cleaner. I should take the laces and stuff out, but I don't think the tongue and stuff is that bad. I'm gonna just try to get the outer area. So I'm just gonna spray the suede cleaner and hit it with the toothbrush. That's the next step. steps. This is after I finish spraying them with the suede cleaner, finish brushing them off and whatever. So it's what he looking like. The suede looking a little better. It's still kind of damp though, so that's not really an accurate assessment, because while the suede is damp looking, it's gonna look blacker and more luscious. But we'll see how it looks afterwards. But right now they're looking rather good. So the last step is I'm gonna be just touching this up. They got certain parts that kind of rough. Like I don't know. I can't really do nothing like that. Maybe I could sand it down. So I don't know. But I'm not doing it. I'm just gonna put a light coat. I don't even know if I'm gonna put 2 coats on that. I probably should, but I might hit it with 1 coat of black angelic. I think Angelus paint. So I got a little extra from that, from a project I did a while back. So I'm gonna just touch up the little blue, and after that should be done. On foot, show you how they look afterwards and everything, but last step. Okay, so I'm at the end, and I just need to touch this up, touch this black up right here, and it would be smart for me to put some tape or something around here and block that off. But being that I'm being lazy, and I would think of myself as an artist, I think my hand is steady enough for me to be able to hit this right here without putting it everywhere else. So let's get into it. I'm at the end of my paint. I have a limited amount left. Covering it up pretty nicely. I might end up hitting it with like 2 coats. Just to make sure it doesn't come back. Well, it doesn't flake off or whatever. Try and keep the black on there for a minute. Looks rather glossy right now. Hopefully that's gonna die out, but that's how it's looking right now. I'm not gonna show you every little piece that I paint, but about to get to the other side. I'll show you everything afterwards. So 1 coat down. It's after 1 coat of paint. I'm gonna do 1 more just to make sure. But at first it was real glossy. Now it's starting to dull down a little bit. I like that look. 1 more coat, done. Done with the shoe, caught it, cleaned it, painted it a little bit, tried to restore it, I seen like, well, I ain't really seen no gamma restore videos or anything. Like, I ain't took the sole off and did all that. But if you have a pad that's kind of dingy or something that you try to think you can shake back, you can. So you don't have to spend $1 million. Just be patient. Look around. You can find what you want. Certain things after a period of time, or if you're just lucky, you in the right scenario. But yeah. So this video, seen it on foot, etc. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, subscribe. Gonna be the greatest or the most hated. Peace out.